कान नाट गले की जब हो परेशानी, डॉक्टर मनीष प्रकाश की होनी डरानी, मायम हॉस्पिटल दे।
Hi, my name is Shweta Seshadri, and I was suffering from something called CSF rhinorrhea, in which there is a small bone here at the edge of the nasal cavity, which got damaged, and because of that, the cerebral fluid was flowing through my nose. And then eventually I went to my ENT doctor, my family ENT doctor, Dr. Malhotra, and he confirmed that I was having this problem. And he put me on medication for about a week, but nothing happened. So then he suggested that we will probably have to go in for surgery. And he put me on to Dr. Manish. And then Dr. Manish, I had a consultation with him, and I was in surgery for almost 5 hours. And then that night they kept me in the ICU to monitor my blood pressure and other items. Dr. Manish, like I was told, is the best doctor for this kind of surgery, and he really is. He knows his subject very, very well. I've had a review with the doctor twice after that, and it has been to my complete satisfaction. And I'm hoping to recover as soon as possible. Thank you.